Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH and let's see ano yung energies sa next 6 months para sa inyo. This is a general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo or ipa-follow kayo para mag-offer ng mga private readings or ano pang mga services or products. Maging maingat po. Merong nagpapanggap na Mystic Queen PH at nagme-message no, sa mga followers or sa mga viewers. At yan po ay scam. Mag-ingat po kayo. Okay, let's see. Next 6 months. What's coming? Ano yung energy ng next 6 months for you, Aries? Next 6 months. Full moon. Uy! Alam nyo, full moon ngayon. Oo, full moon in Cancer. So there's a celebration. I think this is about an accomplishment, no? Kasi ang full moon is about pagtatapos. This can also mean lessons learned, no? So in the next 6 months, meron ka makukumpleto, no? Makukumpleto mo yung isang project or isang mga goals mo, no? Pwedeng goal mo to sa buhay or anything that you really want to manifest in the next 6 months. So meron ditong celebration. I also see this as a isang fulfillment eh. Meron kang mafu-fulfill. Something related to your home life or family life or your house or something na binibuild mo. So halimbawa ngayon, you are building a career or you are building a business. So in the next 6 months, you will see the results. Makikita mo na yung resulta niyan and you will celebrate dun sa resulta na yan. You have the first house, Taurus energy, Uranus. So, Uranus, unexpected change. Pagdating sa iyong sarili, pwede rin meron kang mga, kumbaga sa aesthetic mo, no? Aesthetics. Sa physical look mo, physical appearance. Pwedeng ikaw ay may mga i-improve, no? Para sa iyong sarili. In the next 6 months, let's see what else. Black Moon Lilith. Oh, this is your power. You are stepping into your own power. Kumbaga, sorry not sorry ka. No? Yung kumbaga wala ka nang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. For as long as you know what you want, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, you will go for it. Hindi ka na yung people pleaser. Tipong bahala sila kung gusto ka nila or ayaw ka nila. Basta para sa'yo, you will focus on what you want, where you want to go. Alam niyo yun? So, yes, you are motivated also. In the next 6 months, you will have this strong motivation to focus on achieving your goals and your dreams. Some of you, this is related to your career, sa inyong trabaho. What else? What other messages for Aries? Next 6 months. Oracle of Wands. So, this is energy ng Queen of Wands. So this is your energy as a fire sign. So very motivated, malakas ang loob. This is about you stepping into your own power. Yung iba, meron kayong maaring may project kayo, like nagsisimula kayo ng isang negosyo and meron kayong mga taong kasama rin dito for this business or for this project that you really want to improve or i-develop. Okay, you also have Apprentice of Swords. So this is about data gathering, learning. So pwedeng iba sa inyo, may mga pinag-aaralan kayo ngayon, ini-improve nyo ang inyong kaalaman. Yung iba sa inyo, itong project na to related sa social media or internet or sa research and development. Ooh, you also have the Nine of Pentacles. This is about financial stability and independence. That makes sense, no? Itong Black Moon Lilith. So, kumbaga kaya mong makipag-collaborate, makipagtrabaho sa iba. Kaya mo rin gawin yung mga plano mo on your own. Kaya nga, you are stepping into your own power. What else? You have the Tower. The Tower is about destroying or parang uh, nile-let go mo na yung anything that is no longer serving you. Kung nung mga nakaraan ikaw ay mahiyain or yung bang tipong nawawala na ng lakas ng loob na mag-explore, sumubok ng mga bago sa buhay mo, ngayon, ayan na. Mas in love ka ngayon sa buhay mo. Mas in love ka sa life mo ngayon. 'Di ba? Masarap ma-in love sa ating life. Hindi lang naman yan sa relationship or sa person yung pagiging in love. Dapat in love tayo sa buhay natin, sa pangarap natin, sa mga gusto nating ma-achieve sa buhay. 'Di ba? Okay. Ace of Swords, this is also new beginnings and merong good news na parating. In what area of life tong good news na to? Sixth house sa trabaho and also sa health, sa kalusugan ninyo. So kung meron kayong inaayos sa inyong health, ayan, you will finally take action in improving yourself, your health, and also yung iyong sistema, no, sa trabaho. Ano man yung trabaho mo, kasi may business ka or you are working for a company, ang importante meron kang sinusunod na routine, meron kang sinusunod na sistema. Dahil yung sistema na yon, yun yung foundation mo no, para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals and dreams mo in the next 6 months. Okay, now let's see the energy for your kaperahan, money, career, finances for Aries. What is the energy? Money, career, finances. Okay. Oy, kalmado ka lang daw. Hindi ka magpapa-apekto sa ingay sa paligid mo. Yung mga yung mga chuchu-chuchu, ang tawag doon. Yung mga yung mga nangingialam, no, sa mga plano mo, sa mga gusto mong gawin. You are also going to express yourself, no? Yung iba sa inyo magaling kayo sa design, sa arts. Yan yung talent ninyo, yan yung skills ninyo. You're going to be very creative. It is going to bring success in your career. And ito nga, working smart. Meron talaga kayong sistema na susundin para sa career path ninyo, para ma-achieve niyo yung goals and dreams ninyo. Mas simple, mas madaling sundan at gawin at mas effective. Okay? Pagdating naman sa love life, tingnan natin, what's the energy naman ng love life, kung concern nyo yung love life nyo. In the next 6 months for Aries. Okay. Meron ditong game over. Next 6 months, pwedeng itong relationship na to, sa una, mukhang merong potential, pero, merong merong mag-open up, no? May mag-open up about kung ano yung nararamdaman niya about the situation. This can be a soulmate connection, no? Kaya lang, bakit ganito? Kumbaga, pwedeng yung isa, feeling niya soulmate niya yung other person. Pero yung isa, hindi. May mga ganun hindi kayo aligned. Oo. You have Saturn. Okay. The 6th house and Pisces. Okay. Saturn is the planet of restriction. Pisces kasi is walang boundaries. Oo. So, pwedeng pagdating sa sa relationship, wala kayong boundaries or walang hindi kayo nagsaset ng boundaries sa relationship, kaya parang yung isa masyadong nanghihimasok sa buhay ng other person, lalo na kung nagsisimula pa lang. Alam mo yun, tipong yung isa kasi pwedeng iniisip niya, uy, alam mo, soulmate kita, ganyan. Pero yung other person naman sabi niya, ha? Paano mo nasabi? Mga ganon. So, someone here is questioning a relationship na may potential na soulmate connection kasi yung isa lang yung nakaka-identify. Okay? So, this may lead to end, no? Pwedeng mag-end yung relationship na yan, especially if you don't really understand yung dynamics ng relationship ninyo. Na isa lang yung 'di ba sabi nga, it takes two to tango. Isa lang yung nakaka-recognize. And then you have courage. So this is lakas ng loob. Meron kang lakas ng loob na gawin, ipagpatuloy. Like what I mentioned kanina, yung motivation mo talagang through the roof. Diba? Your spirit, sabi nga nila, may fighting spirit ka. O courage and then spirit. You have that fighting spirit that you need. And also, may additional mystery energy here. So some of you are looking mysterious sa ibang tao na tipong pwedeng iba sa inyo, sinasarili nyo na lang yung mga plano nyo, hindi nyo na sinasabi sa iba. Tapos nahihiwagaan sila na ano kaya itong ginagawa ni Aries? Bakit napaka-busy niya? Bakit lagi siyang may ganap pero hindi naman niya sinishare? Alam mo yun? So, some people maaring nagiging curious about what you are up to. Anong pinagkakaabalahan mo in the next 6 months. So, mas maganda na rin kasi sabi nga what they do not know, they could not ruin. Something like that. So, kung ano yung hindi nila alam, hindi nila kayang sirain. Hindi nila masisira ang mga bagay na hindi nila alam. 'Di ba? Oh. Wow, transformation, moon magic. So, in the next 6 months, your life is going to transform according to where you really want to be. And yung manifestation skills nyo rin sobrang on point. You also have moonlit. So this is embracing uncertainty. Kumbaga parang sa'yo, open ka sa kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari. Open ka sa mga possibilities, no? And through your courage and spirit, alam mo na kaya mong malagpasan, may challenges man yan o wala. Lalo na sinasarili mo na lang yung mga plano mo at hindi mo na sinishare sa iba. Okay? So, yun yung superpower mo. Yung hindi nila alam about your plans. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.